Good morning, all of you. Today we will see Fleury's algorithm. Okay, to find Eulerian tour from or in an Eulerian graph. So see, if you want to find out any Eulerian tour, the graph must be an Eulerian graph. That means degree of each vertex must be an even number. Okay, so that you have to first check. Now tell me, is this graph an Eulerian graph? Is this graph an Eulerian graph? If you don't answer me, I am not able to understand whether I am audible or not.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Eulerian, right? If I ask you to find out an Eulerian tour, can you tell me Eulerian tour in this graph? What is Eulerian tour?
Same. First and last vertex is same.
First and last vertex is same. Is that the definition, Payal? What is the
Ma'am,
definition?
an Eulerian trail is in a connected graph which is closed. That is, first and last vertex is same. Is called an Eulerian tour.
Dear, what is an Eulerian trail? You have to include every edge exactly once, right? That is the definition of Eulerian trail. And a closed Eulerian trail is called as an Eulerian tour. So you have to start from a point, come back to the same point, but at the same time, you have to include each and every edge exactly once. Do not duplicate any edge. Do not skip any edge. Okay, that means if I start from the vertex A here, I will go to B, I will go to C, then I will go to D, then I will go to A back, and every time E1, E2, E3 and E4, I have included all the edges exactly once. I have not skipped any edge. I have not uh, repeated any edge. Do you understand? It's easy because this is a very simple and small graph, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
But if I draw something like this, and see, once the graph is Eulerian, you can start from any vertex, okay? So now if I draw this kind of graph, I may have some more. Now, first of all, tell me, is this graph Eulerian? Is this graph Eulerian? First of all, you check that. Yes or no? Is this graph Eulerian? What is the condition of a graph to be Eulerian? Girls, come on, answer my question.
a graph is Eulerian if and only if it is connected and degree of every vertex is even.
Even. So here, do you check what is the degree of A? What is the degree of A?
2.
2.
Degree of B is 3. So I think I will have to add one more edge. But then what happens here? Wait. We will have to do some adjustment. This is odd. So if I add this edge now, this is E8, this was E9, this is E16 if I take, and this is E8, okay? But then what happens now here is the degree of this F and E will become an odd number again, I think. Nahi na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, haan, no. Yes, degree of B is 4 now. Degree of C is also 4. Degree of D is 2. Degree of E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Degree of F is also 6. Degree of G is 2. Degree of H is 4. Degree of I is 2. So degree of each vertex is even. That means this graph is Eulerian. But if I ask you to find out Eulerian tour, will that be easy? You draw this graph, girls, and write down that this is an Eulerian graph. Have you drawn this graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I ask you to find out Eulerian tour in this graph, will it be that easy as compared to the previous graph?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Some confusion, you might skip some age, you might repeat some age. Okay, so to avoid this confusion, we will apply Fleury's algorithm. And it's very, very easy algorithm. What you have to do is, you have to start from any vertex. Here, first you have to check whether the given graph is Eulerian. So you have to write this, that all vertices are of even degree. Okay. Therefore, this graph is an Eulerian graph. Okay. Now, we will make 3 columns here. What we have to do, the age which we consider, we have to go on erasing the age. Okay. One by one. So ultimately nothing will be there, but simultaneously you have to write that tour. Okay. So let us start now. So I am erasing all these things now. Okay. So you can actually make 3 columns. You can write here, actually every time you have to draw a new graph. Okay, for you it will be time taking or time consuming process. You have to draw the graph after you erase this edge, or you make a make crisscross like this. Okay, This also you can do, the edge which you are considering, but sometimes we have to erase the isolated vertex also. Okay, so what you do, you draw a new graph at every stage. You can draw it later on also. So here the edge which you are considering, that you have to write, and here the Eulerian tour you have to write. How you are progressing the Eulerian tour and the corresponding graph you have to draw. Okay, so suppose I am starting. Am I audible, girls? Girls, am I audible?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your voice is
voice is
breaking.
breaking, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I was telling is, you can start from any vertex. Whichever edge you are including, that edge you have to erase and draw the new graph. Okay, so at every stage you have to draw a new graph. Do you understand this? So drawing graph can be done later on also. You try to understand the procedure just now. Okay, so I am starting from E1 now. Okay, here I am making the column of age because we want to check whether every age is included exactly once or not. Okay, and I will write the Eulerian tour here progressively. Okay, मैं यहीं पे लिख दूंगी, आपको हर बार नया लिखना है. Do you understand it, girls? What I'm saying? So I'm starting from vertex A now. From vertex A I'm starting. So I'm open to take E6 or E1, any edge. So let us take E1. So now I'm at B. Okay. So I'm including the edge E1 and I'm writing that here. And I'm erasing this edge. Do you understand the procedure, girls?
Ma'am, we can't see the screen.
I can't see your screen.
Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
What I did here, I have started the journey from A and it was even here. Okay, so I am going from A to B via E1. So now from the graph I am deleting this edge. So you have to draw this graph at this stage. Do you understand it? Do you understand it, girls? आपको ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. इवन डिलीट करके जो ग्राफ आता है वो आपको ड्रॉ करना है और प्रोग्रेसिवली आपको ऑयलेरियन टूर लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ आई एम एट बी. Any vertex, any edge I can choose. I have 3 choices, E2, E7 और E16. कौन सा लेना है आपको? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. Which edge you want to include? That edge I am writing here. So suppose I include E2. So here I am writing E2. So I am erasing that edge now. Do you understand it? Do you understand it? Girls, can you see my screen?
Ma'am, we can see it a little late.
It's okay now. It's okay. Now can you see I have erased E2 also? And I am at C. I am at C here. ये हो गया, ये हो गया. अभी कौन सा वर्टेक्स लेना है आपको? एज लेनी है. कौन सी एज लेनी है आपको बताओ. You can include E3. Okay. So now I'm writing E3 and I'm at D and I'm erasing E3. Okay. Now, is there any choice but to travel from D to E? Do you have any choice left? Girls, do you have any choice left? आपको D से कहाँ जाना होगा?
E.
Now, see girls, D was a pendant vertex. D पे जो एक ही एज थी उससे ही हमें ट्रेवल करना होगा. That's why I traveled via E4 towards E from D. Now D has become an isolated vertex, right? So will you use it further in your journey? Can you use it? Am I audible? Girls, can you use the vertex D back? Can you go back to D now?
No.
No. So D has become an isolated vertex, so we have no option but to erase it. Okay? But we have taken the journey, we have taken the road from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E. Now we are at D. E. Sorry, we are at E. So whichever vertex becomes isolated, we have to erase that vertex also. Okay? Now from E, I have choices. Suppose I will go to I. Okay? I will go to I. So I am writing here E2 towards towards I via E13. Okay? So I will erase this age as well. Yeah, I know my voice is breaking, but can't help. I will write it on the screen, girls, whatever I am explaining, whatever I am saying. Okay? There is no range here today. I'm so sorry for that. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes. So E से मैं E3 से I की ओर गई हूँ. Now what you observe here, I has become, now I is a pendant vertex. A pendant vertex. Therefore, include E15. No choice. You have to include E15. ओके सो आई से मैं E15 लेके H की ओर गई हूं. सो आई एम इरेजिंग E15. Girls, can you hear me? Girls, can you hear me? Am I audible, girls, now? Am I audible, girls? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये समझा कि आपको यहाँ तक समझा है क्या मैंने क्या किया? The age which I am including, I am writing that here E4, E13, E15. Okay, and I am writing the tour also or the trail also accordingly. Now I has become an isolated vertex. So what we have to do? Can we go back to I? Can we go back to I?
Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
I can't help. I have full network here. Now I have changed the network and it is full. I don't know why you are not able to see my screen. It might get uploaded late, but can you see it now? Or still you can't see anything? मेरा आधा लेक्चर इसी में जा रहा है. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. हेलो. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
दिखाई दे रहा है क्या क्या किया है? देखो, ये एज मैंने एजेस डिलीट किए हैं. नाउ आई हैज बिकम आइसोलेटेड. तो क्या करना है आई का? व्हाट इज टू बी डन विथ आई? गर्ल्स कम ऑन आंसर माय क्वेश्चन. एक तो नेटवर्क नहीं है यहाँ पे, प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. व्हाई डोंट यू आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस? Am I audible? Am I audible? तो I का क्या करूं मैं पूछ रही हूँ. I'm asking you, I has become an isolated vertex now. What is to be done with I? I needs to be erased. Can you travel back to I? No, I am just going on explaining. I will not care whether you hear it or you don't hear it, because you are not answering my questions. Now I am at H. I am choosing the age E12 now, suppose. Okay, E12 से मैं वापस जा रही हूँ E की ओर, and therefore I am deleting this E12 here, and I am including that here, E12. Now I am at E. Shirin, can you hear me? Shirin, can you hear me? Anyone, please tell me, can you hear me? Am I audible? Well, बोलो ना. तुम्ही ऍसिडिटीची गोळी घेतली आहे. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
तो E12 E तक हम यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. यहाँ तक समझा है क्या आपको? Have you understood what I'm doing? The age which I'm including, that age I'm writing here and I'm writing here and I'm erasing that from the graph. तो ऐसे मैंने ये E1, E2, E3, E4, E13, E12 एजेस डिलीट कर दी है अभी. ओके, नाउ आई एम एट E. अभी मैं कौन सी एज ले लूं बताओ? Suppose I take E9 and now I am at C. So यहाँ पे मैं E9 एक एज ऐड करती हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं C की ओर पहुंची हूँ. Now I am deleting the edge E9. Now you are at C. अभी बताओ C is a pendant vertex, yes or no? C pendant vertex है या नहीं? What do you mean by pendant vertex? What do you mean by pendant vertex?
Only one edge is incident.
So there is no option for us, right? We have to travel via E8 from C to F. So I am choosing the edge E8 and I am at F now, and now I will delete this edge E8. Now what happens with C? क्या हुआ है C के साथ? C has become isolated. So can you go back to C?
No.
Therefore erase C.
No, ma'am.
Okay, erase C. Now you are at F. F से आपने A की ओर का ये लिया तो ये सारी एजेस रह जाएंगी आपकी. आपको वापस A की ओर जाना है. फाइनली लास्ट में A की ओर जाना है, तो F2 A नहीं जाना है अभी. कॉमन सेंस क्या कहता है, आप या तो F2B जाओ या तो F2E जाओ, F2G, F2H कहीं पे भी जाओ. ओके, लास्ट में आपको A की ओर जाना है. सो कहाँ पे जाना है? अभी सपोज मैं लेती हूँ E7. E7 एज मैंने यहाँ पे ले ली E7 and now I am at B. So I am erasing this edge E7. Okay, I am erasing the edge E7. Now the vertex B has become pendant vertex. So I have to take the edge E16. And therefore I am erasing the edge E16. Can you see this, girls? Can you see it? Girls, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So अभी B का क्या हुआ? B has become again isolated. So we cannot travel back to B, therefore erase B also. Okay. So B I have deleted. Now I am at E. And now E has become again pendant vertex. So I have to choose the option E5 and I have to travel back at F. Now this E is, when I delete E5, E has become isolated. So I have to erase E also. Now I am at F. What is the next option? Can anyone tell me what is the next step? What is the next step? Anyone can tell me next step? You are at F now. F से हमें करना है अभी. कौन सी एज ले लूं अभी?
E11.
E11.
Suppose I take, so I am traveling via E11 towards H. So I am erasing the edge E11. Now again, H has become a pendant vertex. So I have to include E14. There is no option. And I am at G now. So E14 I am erasing. Now H has become isolated. So I have to erase H also. That means I will not go back to H. H का रोल खत्म हो गया. Now I am at G. G is again pendant. So there is no option but to travel to F via E10. So erase that edge. Okay. Now you are at F, but G has become isolated. So erase G also. Now F has become a pendant vertex. So via E6 you come back at A. So यहाँ पे मैंने E16 के बाद E5, E11, E14, E10 and E6. Okay. And that is how. So E6 I am deleting, and now both these vertices have become isolated. So erase A and F. So nothing remains there at the end. But if you forget Eulerian tour, if you forget writing Eulerian tour, then you will not have anything in the end with you. Whatever you are erasing, you have to include that here. Have you understood it? So see every edge, E1, E2, E3, then E4 is there, then E5 is there, then E6, E7, E8, E9, then E10, E11, E12, E13, E14, E15, and E16. Every edge is included exactly once. No edge is deleted, no edge is repeated, and therefore this is the required Eulerian tour. Have you understood it, girls? Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
4 marks question or 8 marks question, depending upon the graph. How big is your graph? Okay. So whichever edge you are including, erase that edge. If the vertex becomes pendant, include that pendant edge. If the vertex becomes isolated, erase that vertex. Okay. So let us stop here. It's 10:30 now, girls. I want attendance to be taken quickly. चलो attendance दो जल्दी. Call out your roll numbers. I'm muting myself. Please call out your roll numbers.
Roll number 1.
Next.
Roll number 7.
Roll number 9.
Roll number 11.
Roll number 12.
Roll number 13.
Roll number 14.
Roll number 16.
18.
19.
20.
22.
27.
28. 29. 31.
32. 32. 33.
36.
39.
37.
41.
43. Girls, tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, if possible, I will take the lecture. My regular, like now we are online, I'm not going to college. Therefore, I can take